Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable stew for yam. First, let's talk about the essential ingredients you'll need for a delicious and hearty stew. Start by gathering fresh vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and ripe tomatoes. You'll also need about 2 tablespoons of your favorite cooking oil. Don't forget key spices such as curry powder and thyme to really bring out the flavors. For a richer stew, consider adding a protein like fish or chicken. Now that you have your ingredients, let's move on to preparation. Begin by thoroughly washing all your vegetables. Then, chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces to ensure even cooking. Dice 1 large onion and 2 medium tomatoes to form the flavorful base of your stew. For vibrant color and taste, slice 2 bell peppers, 1 red and 1 green. Finally, mince 3 cloves of garlic and grate a small piece of ginger. With your vegetables prepped, it's time to start cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once hot, add your diced onions and sauté them until they become translucent, which usually takes around 3 minutes. Next, add the minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for just 1 minute more until fragrant. Finally, stir in your chopped tomatoes and bell peppers, allowing them to simmer for about 10 minutes. To finish your delicious stew, add your chosen protein and all your spices, then let it simmer for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your personal preference. This stew pairs perfectly with freshly boiled yam. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade vegetable stew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.